We stated our relationship as friends, but deep inside I've always had a crush on you. Talking and fighting whenever I am, wishing that you would feel me too. Doing things for you to recognize me. You acted like you knew, but I wasn't sure. Only wanted you to see that between us there is so much more. 'Cause I'm trying to explain how my road to love is your way. It's not easy, I just seem to make you mine. From the road where I can't supply, need no direction from you, only you. Take me by your hand, so God will lead me through. And stop living a fantasy, start living reality. You know that I could say I love you. Wanted to say everything said. Oh, could I let you know that? But I wanted to burn the things to fly away. Hoping one day to realize my love is on forevermore. Everything is so much you. 'Cause I'm trying to explain how my road to love is your way. It's not easy as it seems to make you mine. Some in a road where it can't find me, no direction from you and me. Take me by your hand, just guide me through. And stop living in fantasy, start living reality. You know that I can say I love you. It was summertime when I came into my life. You promised me you would open up my eyes. You told me I was beautiful. You told me how much you cared. You said you loved me, had so much to share. But there was another girl, and she meant the world. You thought you were cool to blame me for the fool. I wanna let her know, but I gotta let it go, I'm a little fine out on time. How you lied and you cheated, how I loved you like she did. Boy, you don't deserve me no more. Now the times have changed, I need to rearrange, get my life on track. Did you turn your back on me? Did you ever see her face, her body, her love when you were with me? So baby, don't lie, don't deny it, don't even try, I won't fight it. Hey, yeah, boy, you got another friend. 'Cause I wanna let her know, that I gotta let her go, 'cause I'm a little fine out on her own. How you lied and you cheated, how I loved too, 'cause she did. Boy, you don't deserve me no more.